Are you tired of digging through Zendesk's menu maze just to turn off a ticket form? Master the exact 8 clicks to deactivate any form in under 60 seconds. We'll move from the home page through Admin Center, search for forms, and end with the Deactivate button. Every click shown step by step. All right, let's start by navigating to your Zendesk homepage in the browser. Then, click on Support or the drop-down icon in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, click on Admin Center to access the admin settings. Next, click on the search bar at the top right of the screen. Type Forms into the search field. And click on the Forms option from the search results. Now, hover your mouse over the form you want to deactivate and click the 3 dots on the far right. Finally, click Deactivate, and you're all set. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.